This is our new HDMI UTPro solution. So this is a technology which allows us to switch and manage HDMI, maintaining HDCP compliance. So if you look at the back of this box down here, we've got all of our HDMI signals coming in, and we're actually reticulating those signals out via UTP. So all of the signals that you see here are actually being delivered down Cat5 to a receiver box like this, which then delivers HDMI out to the display. Now, HDCP, or high definition content protection, is a technology which ensures that high definition content for Blu-ray and similar isn't copied. When you start talking about taking that content and distributing it to multiple displays, however, it causes major issues because we have a functionality of what's called keys. Those keys have to be maintained between the display and the device. So what this technology uses here is a solution called Instigate. Instigate effectively caches the keys of the displays within the switcher. So when we switch a source to a display, that key technology or that key connection is maintained. So when I actually go here and switch a Blu-ray disc to my two displays here, you'll see that it happens relatively instantly. Importantly, when I switch another Blu-ray source to my top screen here, you'll see that this one doesn't blank at all. This is Instigate in action. So if we back. So with the non-HDCP compliance system, effectively, or a non-key caching system, the screens were blank. As I actually switch the various image, you'd actually see blanking between the two. Importantly though, we're still maintaining full HDCP compliance. So if I take an HDCP source and try and switch it to a non-HDCP display here, you'll see that it actually comes up and says, I'm sorry, that's not an HDCP compliant signal, so that is images and display. Now all of this content is actually being delivered, as I said, via UTP. So this is full HDMI with HDCP compliance over UTP, and we also have a control functionality as well. So if I actually go back to here, for example, okay, you can see as I adjust the volume, all of our control is delivered via the UTP as well. And it is bi-directional, as you can see. This is currently telling me that this display is on. If I go and switch it off here, you'll see the display update as it turns off. And this is really the future of reticulation of HDCP high definition sources in both residential and commercial applications.